Good morning and welcome to episode 97 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. Today's the 9th, which means yesterday was midterm election day, the very contested, divided midterm elections here in the U.S. And I don't know how many people got much sleep last night staying up looking for the results to come in, but the elections have now come and they will eventually go away, but no time soon. Initial results suggest there will be a shift in the balance of power. It looks like a few seats may very well turn Republican in the House of Representatives that were previously Democrat. And the Senate race and that balance of power there may take another month to decide, as it may be decided by a runoff in Georgia, much like a couple years ago. So we'll have to wait and see if we have a divided government. I know the markets tend to like divided governments, and if that's the case, we may see some rallies going on in the markets in the short term. 2 weeks ago, we warned you that we would see volatility in the markets because of the midterm elections and all the numbers, the important numbers for the economy that are coming out by the end of the year. So let's take a look at the volatility, and we have definitely seen some this past week. Gold today, 1709.20, up 3.2% from 1,656.30 a week ago. Silver up 8.3% this past week to $21.39 an ounce from $19.75. Platinum 5.1% increase to $1,008 per ounce from $9.59 a week ago. And palladium's up 0.5% to $2,002 per ounce from $1,993. With silver vastly outpacing gold this past week, you can imagine the gold-silver ratio, the number of ounces of silver it takes to buy an ounce of gold, has come down to 80.23 from 84.24. And of note, it did dip below 80, that magic number, slightly this past week. The dollar has taken a little bit more of a beating. Remember, just a month or so ago, it was up to 116, pushing 117 on the index, and that's very, very bullish for the dollar. Now it's pulled back considerably. It's down below 110 at 109.82. We'll keep our eyes on the dollar going forward. If the dollar's falling, typically we'll see gold rising as a result. So I told you there's going to be volatility. The midterms are part of that. Tomorrow we have the CPI data coming out. Next week on the 15th we have PPI data coming out, and that's where all attention will turn. The numbers are still expected to be inflationary and elevated, and I've got two quick questions for you. Got gold? Got silver? Okay, that's how you combat this. As always, we want you to go ahead and subscribe to us on the YouTube channel, like us, send us your comments. Subscribe on our social media for ASI through all the channels. Sign up for our monthly newsletter and our twice weekly alerts. And please don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.